Hi everyone, Animals here, and today I'm bringing you my week 5 for PAC by 5 against Sallymumble. We already fought him once in the NCP SummerSlam round 1, so now we're gonna rematch in PAC. So let's see how it goes. Okay, he brings the Gullies of Paws, Side with Toad, Polytoad, Dragonite, Egg Slash, and Whimsicott. Here we bring a Choice Scarf Mew, a Heavy Duty Boots, Swim Mantine, a Salt Vest, Conkeldurr, a Curse Acrobatic Rest Crobat, a defensive Livion, and a defensive Skuntank. So for the lead, I think Skuntank is pretty solid as a lead. Did as well pretty much against anything. So let's see how it goes. So he's also ready. Have fun to Sally. Hope we are doing a great match this time. Like, so laying out with Skuntank, what does he lead with? Let's see. Charm, where's Charm? Yeah, where's it got? Okay, I have the lead. With Flatulence. His Steel type is Eggy Slash, so I can pretty much fire off a free Poison Jab. If he's Prankster, any non-offensive move won't work against me. So he either goes for Moonblast, okay, he withdrew. Seismic Toad, Polytoad. Happy, who is happy? Polytoad, perfect. Getting a little Poison Jab on it for some damage. How much will you do? Not a lot and no poison. Okay. I think I'm just gonna stay and fire off another one. Just chipping it down to make sure there'll be no rain later. Yeah, fastening it. Some poison. Oh, he thought I switch out. Perfect. But maybe now he's gonna attack me. I don't want to go Leafy on now, but this content doesn't not a lot else. So let's just weaken that Polytoad. Will we get the poison this time? Still not. Scald does a decent chunk to me. I think it's PDF 2, so I think now I'm gonna switch out Skunk and go Leafeon. Okay, Leafeon goes in. He withdrew. For who? Chill, where's Chill? The side method. Oh, perfect. I think I'm gonna just off a knockoff. Okay, withdrew. For who? Wild, where's Wild? Oh, I'll take the knockoff on you. Is Boots? Perfect. No more Boots. On you, I would like. I don't think it's now time. Yeah, there's still rain too. I'm just gonna go for a wish. Maybe like spikes, liquidation, knockoff. I'm fine with that. Yeah, I'll go Crobat to see. Don't think he's gonna go for liquidation if he does a good play on his part. If he doubles knockoff, then so be it. Jet. Oof, I don't know what. He did went for a water move, but not the water move I expected to. Still rain, so I suppose that yeah, there is. Yep, it's confirmed that he is the rock. I think it's still too soon to set up with Crobat. Double, scaring off a little bit. He doesn't know my set. Crobat for counter. I think he will go against last year if he stayed. Well, he stayed. Okay, he withdrew. For Hallard, that's Aegisas, right? Yep, perfect. I can fire up a free knockoff here. Well, he could go back into Gullies of Pod. That'll be one thing. But I'm still gonna go for it. Getting more chip on Gullies of Pod wouldn't hurt. Especially with the type of mute I have. What is he gonna go for? I'm pretty sure he's gonna go Gullies of Pod. That's what I think he's gonna do. Oh, he stayed. So if he's not Colbert, pretty sure he dies. Unless he specs Steel Beam. Ironhead. Oh, don't flinch me, please. Yes, let's go. Oh, now that opens up for Crobat. For sure. Oh, it was weakness policy too. Good thing I kill it now. Now, what is he gonna go for? I'm alive, but I'm still bulky enough on special side to pretty much take another hit, depending on what he goes for. But no Heki Slash is great, for sure. Goofy, that's Dragonite? Yep, that's Dragonite. I'm just gonna knock off again, in case he goes for Dragon Dance. So I don't activate like some kind of weakness policy shenanigans. If he kills me, that'll be fine. Okay, dual wing beat. Yeah, I die. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Should I go Mew now? That's really tempting. I think that's what I'm gonna do that. And fire off a triple axle. Yeah, he's on. I really want to sell spikes though. Because I'm Scarf. No, I'm gonna fire up a triple axle. I think should I went for spikes. Yeah, should I went for spikes. He's gonna go into Gully. Charm. Oh, that's Whimsicott. Even better. Okay. One axle. Two axle. Third one. Third one. Almost killed the Whimsicott. Yeah, he's lefties. You know what? I'll say. I don't think he's gonna go for Stun Spore now. If he does, good play on his part. Yeah, I'm gonna risk Stun Spore. Toxic. Okay, I can take it. I'm fine with the Toxic. I'm fine. So I could have went with... Yes. So if I miss, at least I'm gonna transfer him a poison. And I don't. Okay, so that should pick up the kill. Perfect. So no prankster shenanigans for Crobat 2. I, th- I think he's gonna go Gullyzapod now. Pretty sure he's gonna go Gully. Since I revealed to be physical Mew. But I don't think I don't think he knows I am Choice Scarf. Happy. Who is happy again? Oh yeah, Politoed. Yeah, fair. Setting up the rain again. Yeah, I'll go. I can go Mantine now. I'm fine. If he Toxic, I have Ill Bell on Leafeon. Mantine. He withdrew. Okay. Wild. Who is wild? That's a Galizapod? Oh, free Hurricane incoming. Big Hurricane from Mantine. Any state. No more Galizapod. Oh, never mind, he survived. But he withdrew anyway. The fact that you failed to get that kill, Mantine, I'm a bit disappointed. Not gonna lie. Chill. Where's chill again? Okay. I don't know how much pay he put on his side method, but I'm max speed on that Mantine. Should I skull in case he's really... I think he's Swiss Swim. Let's confirm it! Why not? Let's confirm. Yep. He is Swiss Swim. And I'm max speed, so... Perfect. Oh, he missed. Sorry for that. He would have done a lot. I, I would have survived for sure, I think. Oh, Mantine. And he sack it off. Perfect. Not every day that you have a rain sweeper against someone else's rain. Goofy, that's Dragonite, right? So you are gonna Hurricane, then Ice Beam to make sure I don't. Hurricane, do addition chunk, no confusion, Dragon Dance. Yeah, there's still enough rain for me to be faster than it. And now, Ice Beam. Come on, Mantine. At least pick this kill. Oh, that would be funny if I do a Mantine sweep. That would be funny. Ice Beam. Perfect! Big Mantine coming clutch. Mantine. Gosh. I never would have imagined sweeping someone with a Mantine. Never in my life. Okay, first impression, that won't do a lot. Maybe he would have killed if he had landed the rock slide depending on his set. I don't know. No more Golizabod. So now what's less easy, happy. Yeah, you'll definitely beat a Mantine at this health. Hurricane. And that should pick up the KO. And it does. GG Sallymumble. Back. Revenge 5 over against him. Really funny to get a Mantine sweep against a right team. So now we're 3-2 in PAC. Getting back from our last defeat. So I hope that next time we're gonna be able to clutch a playoff. So see you guys next